Arkema is an €8 billion specialty chemicals company, manufacturing polymers, additives, resins, and adhesives for the production of paints, building insulation, batteries, and other products. In addition to raw materials, an increasingly vital component of supply chain management is data. Led by Jean-Marc Viallatte, Group Vice President for Global Supply Chain, Arkema deployed TIBCO unified technology to revolutionize its customer, vendor, and material data domains. Viallette's supply chain team, not IT, acted as a control tower for crucial data flows. Scattered business data was consolidated, new data was collected faster, and data management and security was centralized. Its new data hub uses APIs to feed master supply chain data to downstream systems, including ERPs, CRMs, and business intelligence tools. A common data framework layered onto an ever-expanding list of tools ensures every system pulls from this trusted data hub. In addition, Arkema enhanced its compliance processes, achieved smoother M&A-related data integration, and launched flawless customer-centric service.